So slightly different video for us this weekend.
We're at Heathrow Airport.
And we are on our way to France for the French MotoGP, and we are so excited.
Very excited. So we've just been called to the gate and waiting to board the plane. About an hour's time, we'll be in Paris.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
So we've just made it to the French airport in Paris.
And we're now waiting on our train.
Yes, so about an hour and a half away from Le Mans. So we're going to go down on the train, find our Airbnb, and then the real shenanigans start tomorrow. So we have finally made it to our accommodation in Arnage.
Carnage, I think.
Not entirely sure of the French pronunciation of it, but we're finally here, and it's in a really nice area. It's closer to the track than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, we can definitely hear the track as soon as we go outside the accommodation. It's a cute street full of like bars and restaurants all the way down, and each bar and restaurant's got about 20 motorcycles outside
Yeah, I'm
it.
assuming this is one of those places to stay for the event, which is good. It's good for us because it means that we feel right at home, not having our baby bikes with us. So we're absolutely exhausted. We have been on the go since 7 o'clock this morning.
I think we woke up at 6 a.m. Got little man ready for school and stuff, and then pretty much from there we've been traveling from the airport and then flying, and then obviously the train, and then we got the train to Le Mans rather than coming to Arnage, and we had a little look around there, got some dinner, and then did their equivalent of an Uber.
We were so exhausted, we just wanted to get to our accommodation. Here in France, they've got Bolt, which is obviously, I'm assuming, a European version of Uber. It was 20 minutes, so we were just like, we're so done, we're so tired. We just want to get to where we need to be as quickly as possible.
Yeah, it's one of those where we just want to drop the bags off, get settled, and then have a little explore, which is what we did. We had a little walk up, looked at the bikes. We were looking for a shop, but as with France, everything's always shut, be it a Sunday or an evening and stuff. Everything shuts quite early.
Yeah, a lot of the shop signs said they were closed anywhere in between like 7 and 8 o'clock. But like I said, it's such a really nice area. We're so excited to get up nice and early in the morning and hit the circuit.
Yeah, I think we're going to walk to the circuit. We're about an hour's walk away. We were going to get public transport, but I think we're going to attempt the walk. And worst case scenario, after a day of walking around the track and exploring, we'll get public transport back. But that is our plan. Yeah.
We are general admission, so we're going to try and get a really good place to stand.
Yeah.
And the plan is to get there early, because with most of these things, if you don't get there early, you won't get a decent view. A lot of merch, so there'll be definitely a merch haul at some point over the weekend, because I just can't help myself.
Someone's already spotted a Fabio Quartararo helmet cap that it's the cap version of his limited edition helmet for today. So was it Barcelona you wanted to get one last time? We never got round to it. So
yeah, but we had a little man with us for that, and it was very much he kind of just exploring MotoGP world.
Yes.
And he was obsessed with the Marc Marquez hat, and I was not going to deprive my little boy of a Marc Marquez hat, which actually is now in our bedroom rather than
it's part of our hat collection.
But you know what? That's what made him happy on the day. It meant I missed out on my Fabio Quartararo, but in a way I think it was maybe a blessing, because this design of the pink and yellow I actually prefer to the graffiti style he had in Barca. So
see you at the circuit. Good morning. You join us on our walk to the circuit the Circuit di Bugatti. So yeah, we're on our way to the circuit now. It's about an hour's walk. We have stopped via the local patisserie. I have partaken in pastries, and
Really, when you're in the middle of France and you've got a fresh pan au chocolat, you can't not have it.
you can't not have it.
Can't not have it.
So yeah, we're going to take the walk. Weather's nice. A little bit cooler, being a little bit earlier than what we would normally get up, but yeah.
Bikes everywhere. I love it.
So yeah, I guess we'll join you either at the circuit, or if there's something nice along the way, we'll bring you along.
Might just record some of it anyway. Don't know. Catch you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
They really look after their bikes and take pride in it. Sorry, stopped in front of the camera. I don't know if you can see that. That is Red Bull livery. Suzuki starting off strong. Look, this is Suzuki Bandit.
Same colour as mine.
BMW, Yamaha, Quacker. That's beautiful. That Yamaha there is absolutely beautiful with the blue adjacent on it. Triumph. And then if we cross over, that BMW is beautiful. Look at that. Kawasaki. Aprilia. Oh, I love the Aprilia. Oh, another BMW look. Honda. CBR 650R. Beautiful bike. Yami. I love the wheels on that. The yellow just really makes that pop. Ducati Monster. Beautiful bike. Absolutely beautiful. I like the green on that. Triumph. Another BMW. Very popular here, aren't they, the BMWs? Hornet, Honda Hornet. 750, look, that's beautiful. Bit dirty, but beautiful. Another, exactly the same bike. Twins. Another BMW R. Oh, look at that Multistrada. That's quite a low Multistrada.
Yeah.
I feel like they're normally bigger than that.
Seat height normally is. I wonder if that's been factory lowered.
Yamaha MT10. Beautiful. Suzuki GSX-S 750 with Suzuki livery. Another BMW, beautiful. It's a nice Kawasaki, that. Yeah. Another BMW. I do feel like BMWs are really popular here.
Yeah, thank
Oh,
Charlie Borman for that.
look at that Indian. Look at that. Look at Ninja. Triumph Bonville. That's a nice Hornet. GSXS. Look at that. Look at that.
Lovely bike.
Lovely bike that is. Yamaha, BMW, Suzuki, BMW, another Yamaha MT. Lots of Hondas. Lots of Hondas, lots of BMWs. It's a beautiful. There was a special bike at the front. That was a Repsol. Repsol Fair. I do love the Repsol livery. Yeah, mainly because of Marc Marquez, obviously.
Oh, Lucy Yellow.
Look at that. Literally looks like a machine. Phaser, beautiful bike. The spaceship. Oh, look at that. The livery or the stickering on that is actually beautiful. I don't know if the camera's picking up the colour. I know. That is MotoGP done properly, that is. Yeah. Look at that R1. I love the detail on it. Look. That's beautiful.
Crash damage to rebuild in Street Fighter.
It's beautiful. This is a particular favourite of mine. This is the Repsol CBR Fireblade fairings that I love. Suzuki Bandit. I love doing things like this because there's just such a different variety. Although there's lots of Yamahas and there's lots of BMWs, there's just lovely KTM. Super Duke there. Hayabusa. Beautiful. KTM. Lovely Duke. It's just beautiful bikes. Look at that. And then there's still all of those over there, look. Still some over here. Another one, another Bandit. Oh, we have our first little scooter. That's a nice colour for a Kawasaki. I love that green. It is very Master Chief Halo green, you're right. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful bikes. V-Strom. Oh, look at that Indian. Oh, I'm going to see if I can get close up to this one. Look at that. Is the rider here? No. Look at that beautiful bike. Absolutely beautiful. Don't know if the camera's quite picking up that Harley. It's a beautiful bike. And as you might be able to see, there is just bikes absolutely everywhere. So now we've done that, we're going to actually head in and try and find somewhere to stand and watch the race.
So we've just watched qualifying.
And it looked like it was going to be Mark's right up until the last, 10 seconds, I think it
Yeah,
was.
then all of a sudden Pecco comes and puts in a blinding lap.
Massively. It was frustrating, but really good to see. It's been 196 days since he got his last pole, so fair play to Pecco, and it's all good for Ducati. Fabio Quartararo, being home turf, has pulled something spectacular out of his backside today, which was really nice to see actually, because he's had a really rough time recently. So quite happy to see Fabio putting in a shift and a performance. So we know that our front row for the sprint race is going to be Pecco and Mark, which is going to be great. It's going to be a good race, I think.
Yeah, I think Digi was very close to putting on the front row, but he's now in 4th place. So that will be interesting because we know he likes to scrap at the moment.
Oh yeah, we'll just wait and see how many of them end up in the gravel, I think.
Yeah, I'm very interested to see how Mark and Pecco get on going into the first couple of corners. Will be very interesting.
My nose looks awful. I can't quite get over it.
So Sam's struggling with hay fever.
Yeah, great. I thought the French air would be doing some good, but apparently not. So yeah, we will try and get a little bit of footage. We're going to try and stand somewhere different, I think, for the sprint. So we should have a different view and a different angle of some of the race, the race. And then yeah, we'll go from there.
See you soon.